This video will show you how to add, delete and rename worksheets in an Excel spreadsheet. By default, all new workbooks contain one sheet named Sheet 1. To add more sheets, you can simply click on the little plus next to the sheet names at the bottom of the screen. Sheet 2 will immediately be added. Continue to click on the plus as necessary. You could also use the Insert button on the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on Insert, then choose Insert Sheet. Alternatively, you can right-click on any sheet tab and click on Insert, then click on the type of sheet you would like to insert. The first one is fine for me, so I'm just going to click OK. Any sheet that you add will be inserted directly in front of the sheet you started on. To delete a worksheet, you can either right-click on top of the Sheet tab and choose Delete, or you can go to Delete on the ribbon and choose Delete Sheet. If you delete a worksheet, you cannot undo it. The only thing you could do would be to close your workbook without saving it. To delete more than one sheet at the same time, you can click on one sheet, then hold the Control key and click on any other sheet you would like to delete. The sheet tabs will turn white, and then you can use any method to delete. I'm going to right-click on the Sheet tab and choose Delete. If you try to delete a sheet containing data, a warning message will pop up giving you a chance to change your mind. I'm going to click Cancel. Now, with regards to renaming sheets, it's always a good idea to rename your worksheets for future reference. You can do that by double-clicking on top of the Sheet tab and typing directly over the sheet name. Then click away or press Enter to save the name. You can also right-click on top of a Sheet tab, click on Rename and enter the new name as you wish, and click anywhere on the sheet or press Enter. In this video, we've looked at adding, deleting and renaming worksheets using the Sheet tab and the ribbon.